Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb come up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb come up is to happen or arise. This meaning comes in different variations. When something is going to happen or will be ready soon, usually used in progressive tenses, or when your name or number is called out to win something. When the man left his CV into the company, he was told, "Thank you for leaving in your CV. There are no openings at the moment, but we'll let you know if anything comes up." An employee has a family emergency and needs to leave work early. "I'm afraid something urgent has come up and I need to leave work." The man is planning on buying his wife some jewelry. "My wife's birthday is coming up soon, so I'd like to get her a bracelet." The woman entered a local raffle and ended up winning. "I couldn't believe when my number came up. I never win anything." Meaning two of come up is to be mentioned or discussed. The employee discussed a rumor going around the office with the manager. The subject came up in an earlier conversation, so I thought I'd ask, "Is there a promotion available?" After that conversation, the manager wanted to address the rumor in a meeting. "Hi guys, firstly, I'd just like to address a rumor that's bound to come up in today's meeting." Meaning three of come up is to approach somebody until they are standing close to them. The dog was looking for food at the house. "He keeps coming up to me and licking my hand. I think he's hungry." The employee was discussing how he was offered a promotion. "Our manager just came up to me and said, 'I think you are ready to take the next step in your career.'" Meaning four of come up is when something becomes available, like a job or something to buy. When the house became available on the market, the couple jumped at the chance. "I'm so happy this house came up. I've wanted to buy it for a long time." The businessman didn't want to miss out on an opportunity. These types of opportunities are once in a lifetime. I'm glad it's come up while I have some funds set aside. So let's run through what we've learned. Come up can mean to happen or arise. Something came up and the client pulled out of the deal. To be mentioned or discussed. I knew this would come up, and as I've already said, I don't want to discuss it. To approach somebody until they are standing close to them. Please don't come up shouting at me like that again. When something becomes available, like a job or something to buy. When the course I'm interested in comes back up again, I'm definitely applying. Where did you hear the phrasal verb come up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.